flags have been taken down. We put them back up. Here we are for 3 blokes with a camera. Here we are, 3 blokes with cameras. 3 blokes with cameras.
What?
Hang on, you can't lock him in there.
Yeah,
You can't lock him in there. That's entrapment, don't lock him in there.
Sar's coming.
What am I got my details for? Sorry, I weren't listening to them two. I was differing.
In regards to antisocial,
I wasn't antisocial.
no, well, we determine that.
Oh, do you?
Yeah, that's how it is.
Okay.
So we have the power to ask because you're antisocial behaviour.
What did I do? It was antisocial.